Have you ever thought about studying in another country, but you're not sure if it's a right decision for you? So watch this video. Hey guys, I'm Amir and this is my channel Adventure with Amir. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe now and like this video so other people can see it. In this video, I'm gonna talk about 4 important facts you have to know before you study abroad. Let's start out of a little disclaimer, shall we? I'm a big fan of studying abroad with all its difficulties, and I don't want to distract anyone from his or her decision to study abroad. Alright, maybe you're planning to study abroad for the next year, but you have to know some important facts that might make you think more carefully about it. Number 1. Make sure you won't run into a financial issue. Depending on your destination, studying abroad might be expensive. Tuition fees, housing, food, books and supplies, utilities, travel, local transportation, etc. But these are not all. There are always some hidden expenses that you have to take care of. You might go on a trip with your friends or eat out. Maybe you need hospital or you lose your laptop or cell phone. So always take care of these hidden expenses and plan before you study abroad. Number 2, don't study abroad if you easily get homesick and you cry every night. I understand that living alone in another country where you know nobody might be hard at first, but you have to choose. If your dreams depend on studying abroad and living in another country, then go for it. You have to accept some barriers. Please hear me on this. If you easily get serious homesick and you cry every night, studying abroad might not be a good decision for you. Number 3, you're on your own. Maybe you've never lived on your own or traveled outside your home country by yourself. And by studying abroad, you'll be independent from your family. So there might be some issues that you have to take care of. The most important one is time management. You have very limited time during the day. You have to go to the university, you have to study, you have to cook for yourself, you have to clean your room, shop for a day or week, a little exercise, wash dishes, etc. So, if you cannot handle all this together, studying abroad is not a good decision for you. Number 4, culture shock. You're moving to another country, people are different, you have no friends there, so you have 2 choices. The first one, you can adapt yourself to them, make friends there and participate in their companies, or you can get nervous around them, feel shy, and make your life miserable. If you're the kind of person who cannot easily deal with this problem, studying abroad might not be a good decision for you. Alright guys, this was 4 important facts you should know before studying abroad. Please let me know in the comment section below what are other important facts everyone should know before studying abroad. I will also put these points in the description below this video, and also make sure you check the links in the description below. See you guys next week with another cool video.